Hey twin, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. Hope you guys are blessed. I am back with a new video. So I have a new one that I picked up on Amazon. I will have all of the details and links located in the info section below. However, this wig does come from UNICE. This is their 5x5 thin high definition blend away lace closure wig. So I got mine in this beautiful water wave texture. As you guys can see, it does have the pre-cut lace, the bleached knots, the pre-plucked hairline. Here's the inside of the cap. It has the removable adjustable band. It has the C-shaped ear design along the side, and it also has a silicone backing with combs and adjustable straps, etc, etc. So this is what the unit looks like. As usual, I like to kind of place it on my canvas block and just prep it to be worn a day before. So I sprayed along the hairline. I'm adding a little bit of gel, then I'm just using my edge brushes to slick everything back, followed by my edge band just to kind of get everything to stay in place. I'm then putting a little bit of my wax stick along the top of the wig using my hot comb just to flatten everything out. And then you guys are going to see me add a little bit of water, a little bit of styling gel, and then I'm going to redefine these curls.
I got the ratio, I'ma show up with the gang, yeah. I like the flex, yeah. Damn boy, I'm really a threat, yeah. All my niggas be rolling up blind, but I told them it ain't what I want. Sometimes we shoot not anyone, and sometimes we shoot not anyone. I feel like we drifting apart, ayy. Wasn't like this from the start, ayy.
So now that everything is dry, this is what the unit is now looking like. You guys see at the edges are nice and slicked back. The back of the hair is nice and dry. I'm just breaking off that cast that formed along the curls due to the gel that I used. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this wig on and see what we're working with. Now, I didn't use any foundation as I usually do on the lace, so I just added a little bit of powder, and then I decided that I wanted some baby hairs. I just went ahead and put those out. Now I'm just slicking them down. Okay y'all, so this is what this wig is looking like. I'm just fluffing out some of the curls just to give it a little additional volume, but overall this hair is super soft. I love the way that the hair redefined itself. The lace is a little light for my liking. I assumed because it was high definition it was going to melt and blend right on in, but it's still a little too light, so I would recommend that you use a little bit of your liquid foundation or powder in order to tone that down. Now again, I'm not sure if I said this, but my wig is 24 inches long. It's in this gorgeous deep water wave texture. Y'all just look at the curls on this unit. So gorgeous. I love the shine. I love the movement, the body, the density. Everything is on point. Now it does have that 5x5 thin high definition blend away lace. It is a little too light, so I just decided to add some baby hairs in order to kind of tone that down and to kind of take away the overall size of my forehead. But this unit is not glued down. I didn't use any adhesives. It is completely glueless if you guys don't prefer to use any glues. Now you do get tons of parting space. Even though this is 5x5, you get a decent amount of parting space. You can throw this in a side part if you choose to. However, as usual, I like to kind of give you guys a couple of different styling options. I am just spraying a little bit of water just along kind of like the closure area of the unit, and I'm slicking it as flat as possible. I just kind of wanted like this slicked down look, and I think I kind of got it. It looks really effortless. You can definitely wear this to school, to work, to run errands. to the gym. You know, there's so many different ways that you can wear it. Now I'm kind of giving you a way that I wear it. I do kind of prefer the hair kind of up off of my neck, especially if it's warm outside or humid. So I just went ahead, I used my little clip and I just clipped the hair up, giving you guys a very formal yet easy and effortless look. So once again, you guys do check out UNICE. They are available on Amazon Prime. I'll have all the details and links located in the info section below. They do have a 6% off Amazon coupon that you can apply to your order, or you can get a 10% off brand promo. Is available on Amazon, so you guys be sure to check that out while you're adding the unit to your cart. But once again, you guys check out UNICE. Let me know what you guys think about this one, and you guys have a blessed, gorgeous day. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.